Jordan. She found me over here on the TikTok, and she found some stuff here on the TikTok to put in her hair, and there it is coming off of her hair. Well, some of it at least, and it was a permanent color. So she wants to go blonde, and that permanent color is going to keep that from happening. So we're going to have to go low and slow, because the faster we go, the faster her hair breaks. And I tell people who put color on their hair, your hair tells me when to stop lifting, because it'll start breaking, and then that's when we're done. So I'm going in here with Magix 10 and Olaplex and my Nomad hair foil board, and I am going to saturate her ends very heavily. And I'm doing my tip outs as I go along, because if I do the whole head and then do her tip outs, her ends are going to be blorange, and I don't want them to be blorange. We let this process for a good hour, because I'm going slow. So here I am doing her money piece, and she definitely wanted a bright money piece, and those are going to process pretty fast, because that's what I would call the tenor vittles, and very, very fine hair. So just going ahead again, doing some tip outs on the top, and I do paint those on like a balayage, and then just put it on my board and paint it on. I'm going in with my teardrop color melt application. It's kind of like an upside down teardrop, and I'm using Oligo Pro, and I am basing her with her natural color and combing it into a beautiful blonde color, and it just came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. Now it's gonna be a little bit on the warmer side, because she did have all of that tint on there, but we got a great first go. I'm super happy with it. And if you guys enjoy my content, please like, follow, and share. And I want you guys to have a great day, and the link is in the bio. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.